Hello everyone. Colin, I hope you're happy. There is one rubber band. This is literally as slow as we can get this to go. We had our tachometer out and it's about 100 RPM, 80 to 100 RPM.
The entertainment value just increased by tenfold.
That's it. We're done. That's as slow as this thing will ever run. Tried a weaker elastic band and it wouldn't go, so that one just slightly tighter. But as you were saying about seeing the crank stop, it's so close. I don't know if it's going to come out on video or not, but the cam literally does stop. Nah, you're not going to see it.
Hey, tell me it'll pass the EPA.
Don't know if you heard Dad or not, but it'll pass EPA now. LOL. Haha. But this is going to be a quick little video, so let you watch it for a minute here. Here's our tack. You can see it almost stops. Alright guys, we're gonna call it here because again, we could probably sit here and watch this all day, but I doubt you guys want to sit and watch on a screen for an hour. So we'll talk to you in the next one. And Colin, again, that's it. That's all we can do. But thanks again for the challenges. I gotta come up with something for your Woody now. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.